ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 14 ಒಮಿಕ್ರಾನ್ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳು ವರದಿಯಾಗಿವೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸಮಾವೇಶ ಅವರು
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಏನು ತಾಳಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಮುಗ್ದೋಗ್ಲಿ ತಾಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಈಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈಗ ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಹೊರಡಿಸಿದಿರಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆನೂ ಆ ಥರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ 500 ವಿತಿನ್ 500 ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಈಗ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಮಾಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಟು ಮಾಲ್.
Mall, cinema hall and theatre.
Cinema hall, mall
and theatres.
Theatre and school. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್.
ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಒಮೈಕ್ರಾನ್ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ.
ಏನು
ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆ
ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಸಂಪರ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು ಮತ್ತು ಕೇರಳ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು ಮತ್ತು ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಚಿವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಒಮಿಕ್ರಾನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಚಿವರು ಸಿಎಂ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
For Omicron, like what is your idea to create more beds at district level or every panchayat level? How many beds you are going to?
Everything what we done in the second COVID time, second wave in the COVID time. We will start. No. Wait. We will start control room. We will already given instruction to the health department for ICU bed and general bed and oxygenated bed. We are given instruction to them. We are preparing for everything.
Sir, this person who came negative, sir.
Where so many ministers, MLAs and staff from across Bengaluru will be going. Are you not endangering the rest of Karnataka from Bengaluru because Omicron is already here?
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಧಾನಸಭೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉದ್ಭವ ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಫ್ ಇದೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನರಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್. ಎಂತ ಬೇಕು, 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬೆಳಗಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧಿವೇಶನ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಧಿವೇಶನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕರ್. ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಡಬಲ್ ಡೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್. all our COVID related committees is there now. Once again we are doing in charges to COVID for the oxygen bed arrangements and the control room of Karnataka state COVID, that also stopped. Now it is open. Bangalore also COVID control room was once again starting to acting the things.
So what about the marriage? How many people?
So for 500, whatever old is there, okay. 500. That is all the functions and marriage. 500 is only limited. The mask is compulsory.
This is January 15th. Some of the
yeah.
Sir, some of the passengers from South Africa are missing. So
within night 12 o'clock, we will trace and track and test. Must be done. We are given the instructions to our BBMP and health officers.
So we should test in the airports when they arrive?
Yeah, without negative, we will not allow to go outside from the airport.
Huh? These 10 passengers, when they came to Bangalore, were they tested at the airport?
Yeah.
They were?
Yeah.
Sir, what about Shangri-La?
Shangri-La hotel case Negative and positive. Though we are already given the complaint, we are instructed to the police commissioner and corporation commissioner also. Investigation must be thoroughly done. What is the mistake in the labs? That have to inquire. That is one.
How was that 66-year-old left without the consent of the authority?
And I'd like to cut across to my colleague Sagai Raj, who's now joining us live on the broadcast. Sagai Raj, we of course heard the briefing of the minister and the Karnataka government pretty much stating that they are in control of the situation, and which is why the new guidelines have been implemented. But Karnataka is the most sensitive state right now, given that the first cases are emerging from there. Firstly, for our viewers, please summarize the new guidelines and also what the situation is like on the ground. How sensitive is it? Is it worrisome?
As of now, Karnataka government have taken guard of the entire situation and they have released a new set of guidelines. And it is something similar to what we have seen in Germany, a model of Germany, where unless you are not fully vaccinated, you are not allowed to enter public places like malls, parks, and cinema halls. So these are the restrictions which have been imposed, and it is compulsory vaccination, fully vaccination for all government employees. So these are the things which has newly been announced by Karnataka government. Apart from that, the similar kind of guidelines which was there in the first and second wave, that is of not more than 500 members are allowed in any kind of marriages or functions, where everybody has to follow COVID protocols. And they have also instructed all educational institutions not to conduct any kind of cultural events or large gathering unless January 15th. So these are the new guidelines which have been issued. So far, they have not spoken about any kind of lockdown. They have not spoken about night curfew or anything. As of now, the only thing which has changed is people who are fully vaccinated will be allowed in public places. Back to studio.
All right, Sagai Raj, thank you for those details. Let's once again listen into the responses so far.
Travelers of international flight, the compulsory now